This is an instruction of eBOX630-100 DRAM and hard drive installation. You will need a Phillips screwdriver and ESD protection. Turn the eBox upside down and remove all 8 screws. Then remove the 4 screws to take out the hard drive bracket. When installing DRAM, you need to match DRAM key and the socket key. This eBox supports DDR3 1066 or 1333 MHz SODIMM, max up to 4 GB. The bracket is directional, so you can only mount from one way. Take out the 4 flat hard drive screws from the accessory bag. Match the hard drive screw hole with the vibration pads and fasten the screws. Be careful of the SATA connector's direction. You may hold them the wrong way if it's hard to install. There is also a CFast socket and a mini PCIe socket with SIM card slot for Wi-Fi or 3G add-on cards. To access CFast, you can just take off its front cover even when the back cover is not open. If you need more information, please visit our website, Axiomtek.com.